Hi, in this video I will show how to export data from, how to use app for exporting data from CSV file to SQL. And you can see I have a CSV file on my computer. I can double click it. It will open automatically into CSV viewer. It's free application. I will leave a link on that into description. But basically it's showing what is inside CSV file. And I can also export into different format if I want to. But basically you can see there is CSV data in it. I can also open it into Notepad. I can right click, open Notepad, and just to show you that this is CSV file, comma separated. And we're gonna convert this CSV file into SQL script. And also I can open, I don't have Excel on this computer, but I have Excel mobile. I can right click, open it into Excel mobile, just to show you what is inside file from Excel. You can see first row is column names, and then all data, all states from Alabama, sorry, from Alabama to Wyoming. Alright, so first thing, I will download application from my website. This is my website. To find application, I click on search and type CSV to SQL, and then this one, right? CSV to SQL. Click on app page, click on download to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on applications and CSV format and converting applications and applications that create SQL. So if you're interested in seeing more, please consider subscribing to my channel. Right now you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on the inside archive and click on more info. Now I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. Just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In the first step I have to select CSV file I want to use. I will click on this button, navigate to my US states, or just type US states CSV, yep, this one. Click on open, you can see file has been opened, click on next step. Now here, if my first row has column names, which is correct, right, I will leave it checked. And also add ID field. I want to add ID field. ID field is useful for SQL databases. ID field can uniquely identify row into table, which is good thing, and I like to have it. And I also have to select database I like to use. I like to use Microsoft SQL Server. I will select it, click on next step. Now here on final step I can preview my SQL if I click on it, or I can save result if I click on save result. It's asking me for name of the file and locations. This name and location is okay. I just click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I can right click, open with, let's show it in Notepad. So you can see it creates table US states with the name of the file and put all records from Alabama to Wyoming into this file. So it has, my script has 2 parts. First it creates table part when it actually creates table. Then it will insert part when it import all data I exported from CSV into SQL database. So now I can run the script into my SQL environment, I can send it to my DBA, and data will be, after I run this file, it will create a table in my database and will input all file from this table into this database. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.